1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some acoustic Britney Spears. Toxic. Cool. So let's start with putting a capo on. 1, 2, 3, please. We got A minor. 1, 2, 3. We got C major. 1, 2, 3. We got E7. 1, 2. And we also have an F in there. Play F like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it starts on E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can do like a little. So first thing we go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, do. So down, smack, up, down, up. When the verse starts, it's A minor, A minor, A minor, A minor, go to C, E7 and A minor, and break. A minor, A minor, A minor, A minor, and C, and E7, A minor. One more time. 4, switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, E7 and A minor. Now chorus. A minor to C, F major and E7 and A minor to C, F major and E7, A minor to C, F major, E7, A minor to C. Break on A. Verse 2, 3, 4, switch, C major, and E7 and A. 2, 3, 4, switch, C, 2. Chorus. A minor, C, F major to E7, A minor, C, Okay, so that's all the parts. A minor, C, E7, A for verses, and then chorus A minor, C, F, E7. And the groove. Down, smack, up, down, up, down, up, down, smack, up, down, down, smack, up. Cool. Toxic acoustic version by Britney Spears. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much. Be safe. Take it easy.